What's up, Golf Cart World? Welcome back to Cart Smart TV. Today we're going to get into starter generator and changing brushes inside of it. First of all, you want to note that there are two separate styles of brushes that are used in these starter generator motors. Typically your Precedents are going to have these style brushes in them, and you can note how big and how long these are compared to these. Now, you definitely want to confirm which style brush you have in your starter generator before buying or getting into it. But today we're going to get into the Precedent model. So let's get at it. Alright, so first of all, you have to remove this end of your starter generator to get to your brush assembly. And you can do that by taking your sight windows and getting them open. Alright, and then you want to get a pick of some sort to be able to get in here and grab a hold of these springs, lift them out of your way, use your pick, brings your brush right out of the way. Then you can let go of your spring. You want to do that all the way around, and then you want to pull your case off. So let me finish getting these brushes out. On this end, you have two bolts that hold your case to your barrel. You want to get those out. Now, sometimes you may have to tap on it with a hammer, but that one will just pull right off. And that's what you're looking at. Alright, so you want to get your brush assembly right here off. That way you can get all your brushes out from under your assembly. That's just a flathead. And your assembly will just move right out the way. Alright, so to get your brushes out, come up here and you take off all your hardware, lay it to the side, and then you have these two here that hold the insulator down. You want to get all that off. Now, when you go back with the new one, it's already comes with everything you need to be able to replace it with. So you want to take all this off. But leaving your black insulation part on for the inner part of the case. And then you take that, go back into the hole, just like that. Making sure your brushes are out of your way. And then you go back with your insulator first. Then you put the washer on. Go back with the nut. And in this insulator, you want to make sure that you tighten it up enough to where that seats down inside this black insulator. You just put your brush assembly there, back to the holes that it was on, put your screws in, just finger tighten them for now because you have to run your brush wires to the proper place, and you don't want to have to keep loosening and tightening up stuff, so just leave them finger loose until you get your brushes run. Alright, so if you notice, your short side will always be real close by to the brush. Your long side will be on the opposite end of the short side. So make sure you keep a note of that too. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put the short side in. And what you do is you pull up your spring, put your brush inside its seat, and then you let the spring hit the side of that brush so it'll leave tension on it so it'll stay up. And I'll show you why in just a moment. Alright, let's get our long side ran. I'm gonna make sure you get it in behind that, and make sure that it is under your brush assembly here, because if you don't, it gets in the way, it could cause havoc. But as long as you get it under there, you can keep going just like you did with the short side. Bring the long side in, put it in the, and then let the spring hit it and keep tension on it, just like that. You can just continue to do that all the way around. And that's what it should look like when you're done. Alright, so now you can go back and tighten these up. Okay, now you're ready to put back on to the generator itself. Alright, notice this hole here, it's where your bearing goes. And you want to make sure that you keep your tag in where your bolt goes to your bracket on your golf cart matched up with the other side of the starter generator. You just slip it back on. You may have to twist around, find the proper tab. Just like that. You want them to meet. You want this tab and this tab to meet, or this tab and this tab to meet. Just depends on how it come off your golf cart. They're different. Alright, so at this point, with your spring that was holding tension on your brush, you want to just be able to push, boom, in its spot. That's all you have to do. Just push them down. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Have a great day.